824 Ridgeview. This is camera inspection of the remaining downstream. We have a broken tap here, a couple foot in. Tap is just completely destroyed. We're gonna pull back here, pull back. Today's date is the 1st of June.